What is AJ doing?
He's just holding me.
We are driving home now. It's fine.
Huh?
We are gonna drive home.
Okay.
It's hot. Must I put an aircon, Michelle?
You don't just open the window a little bit.
No, you can't open the window. People are gonna go inside the window.
Fine, Daddy. Then you put the aircon. There's the same car then, Daddy. Daddy, what's that smell?
What smell?
Nice.
I don't know.
I smell something so nice. Come. How you didn't smell the nice things?
AJ, sit down. Sit.
This go the airplane. Wait, no. This the same thing. That's a nice flight. Yeah. As we go to the stop moving. Right. No, baby, back up in you can't move. Okay. Let me do something here. Yes, Tana. Move like that.
AJ, sit down.
So we go to Mexico. Oh yeah! Ay, look at this! Ay, Lamborghini! Police! Ay, BMW! Ay, look at this little kid! This looks like church. Look at this one. There's more coming. A Lamborghini. The truck is coming. You're gonna see the truck, guys. The truck's in the car. Here is it. Here's my Lamborghini. Wait, put the toy up. Put the thing up here. Rolling coaster. No rolling coaster. Don't go to the big one. Here's the rolling coaster. I think we fall. Yeah, we need the rolling coaster. You say you wanted to record? You can't take a party. I'm taking a party right now. We can't take a party. Reply. You must take a picture of AJ. No. 1, 2, 3, go. Reply. Yo, Monica, why are we still driving in this? Yo, look at the. I'm so high up. And we are the front. That's why we still driving far.
We're not driving far, we're nearly home.
Look at this pet. It's a pet. It's a pet. Why this is we don't. Look at me, Charlie. Look. Charlie. Lamborghini. Yes, look at me. Look. Look, it's running the fingers. We're up in the mountain right now. Look. Whoa. It's for us, mountain. So high. Look at the water's floating. No, the water's gonna float up, up. Then we're gonna die in the water, bro. Then the shark is gonna come. Oh, the Lamborghini is coming so faster. Let's let it come. Lamborghini, come on! There's one Lamborghini behind us. Look behind. It's a Mercedes. And why is he coming fast? I don't know. There's one going slowly. You can't erase me. You can't erase me. How you can't erase me?
AJ, sit down.
AJ, look at that. AJ.
You guys are making AJ stand up. Why aren't you guys sitting properly?
Okay, I'm gonna support. Guys, look at those. Look at this guy's coming out. Look at the. He's coming out.
I see him.
Yo, why is he coming out right now?
He's gonna jump over.
He's gonna jump and come catch us. Wait, that girl say you die. He's gonna come catch us.
I know, no.
Why is he gonna come
And
catch
you can
us?
see the guy's hands.
Look, your camera's not working.
Stop taking videos of people. You're not allowed to do that.
Okay. Don't take
Mishani, Meleka, stop taking videos of people. You must take your videos, not people.
AJ.
AJ, sit down.
AJ, sit down.
Sit.
AJ, look up!
AJ, sit down. You're gonna fall. AJ, sit. Sit.
Sit, AJ. They'll let you to sit. They'll let you to sit.
AJ, sit.
Mommy, 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 Daddy, I just saw a guy was not sitting there.
Sitting there.
I saw a guy was not having food. Then why are you here now? Because he already have food. Daddy was buying some cars.
That's car stop.
No, that's a Lamborghini store.
And just Coca-Cola, look.
Wait, Malachi, you didn't take a picture for Lamborghini. Stop! It's not you.
Yo.
What do you want?
I don't want to. Thank you.
Sunny, blue. Please, I think it's good. No, Charlie, I was eating it, and I saw that was
AJ, sit
that one
properly.
was blue, Charlie. Look, it's purple. See? Sis. Baby, can I use my phone?
Wait. I'm gonna give it to you when you get home.
ABC. Look, ABC. Stop with ABC. Wait, that's our old. That's my old class. Let me do the metro one. But I run. Steady. That's a real.
Hey, Chappy. Look.
You just make me fall.
Sorry, bro.
Oh no, Daddy, please don't make me fall. Daddy, you make me fall again.
It's you who's jumping, I saw you.
No, I was not. Look at the Africa. I know the scene. What's Daddy doing? I don't know. I never see. Where's Africa? Who wants to go to Africa? Who wants to go to Africa? Hey, look at the back. That's the same part. From way far away. You went far away, then that's the same part was far. Okay.
No fighting. Hey, look how you're making noise.
Lamborghini! There's it, look! Yo, Daddy, that you saw Lamborghini.
It's not a Lamborghini.
And what is that?
It's a BYD.
The BYD. What is a BYD?
BYD.
Same car, Alice. Ow! 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 Ow!
Stop fighting.
Look at this Lamborghini Pro. I just saw Teacher Rain driving that car. You're driving the back. Daddy, I'm in the wrong side.
I'm on the wrong street.
Then where are you going to?
I'm going home.
Daddy, that's Teacher Rayleigh's car. I'm gonna show you Teacher Rayleigh's face.
We'll turn it later.
Please give it to left side.
Turn left, turn left, turn
I'm
left.
not turning left. I'm turning
No.
right.
Maybe I saw Teacher Rayleigh. That's
No, I can't shake. Stop making me shaking. Daddy, you're making me lagging.
What are you doing? No, Michelle, I'm driving. You're making me not drive.
Daddy was driving without things like this.
Sit down, Michelle. Michelle, sit down. Yeah.
Five, six, seven, eight. Smell, 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 smell. Take a smell. Smell, 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 smell. Take a smell, smell. Smell, 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 smell. Smells like a drunken uncle of mine.
Oh, Michelle, I'm trying to drive. You're making me not drive.
Daddy was gonna go to the garage.
No one's gonna open the garage. I'm gonna put the car outside.
Why? Mommy's gonna open Ali. No, I can't go.
Sit down. You can't stand in the car.
No, sorry, you come to the snap.
Sit down. Why don't you listen? I'm not gonna drive with you again.
Okay, madam.
And that emergency say 911. What's your
We're already at home, Daddy.
Yes.
There's the second study again.
I see it.
Why are we here at again?
We was ready to say, then we come back here.
How did we come here?
Wait. We must come out this side.
Okay.
Yeah, here we go.
Yay. Now guys, today we're here at China today.
Hey! That's it.
Okay, we're here at China.
Don't take it back.
We're here at China. Come on, let's go out.